Hello there, this is EURJPY.com. Looking at the euro and the Japanese yen in, let's say, situation that is not pleasant for bulls. However, I would like to only buy this currency pair, at least in these current levels. And I will try to show to you the bigger picture, or let's say the daily chart if you want, as this area here is an area that should act both as a dynamic support and as a classical support and resistance level. I'm talking about, of course, this from here to here. This area is the classical support, which is not yet broken. You might say, well, it is broken. Well, it is broken, but the day is not done. We should see more continuation to the downside, but I strongly suspect that is not going to be the case. Now, if you take a trend line from these lows here and you project this trend line to the downside in here, this is the support that needs to be broken. This is the close that the market should make below this support area here, which again I would say this is difficult to be broken, in the sense that, what does it mean to be broken? In the sense that we should have a close below and market never look back. So the close today on the Euro-Japanese yen is extremely important. I still suspect this triangle here is a fishy one, and at least the retracement should be in cards. So I'm talking about this to be a contracting triangle, to go with wave A to the downside. Let me take a polyline. So wave A to the downside here, B wave, C wave, D wave, and now the E wave all the way here, and the triangle still to be a bullish one. Now it doesn't really matter if this triangle is going to break higher or not, because we are not staying for that amount of time, but for, let's say, for the purpose of trading binary options, we like to buy call options on the pair. Of course, to buy call options here in the support with what? With end of week expiration date, or for the ones that are more conservative, even end of month expiration date, because that means we are in the 14th of October, and end of month implies 2 weeks from now the option will expire in the money. But I will go with end of week expiration date. It is only Tuesday, so we still have something like 3 trading days for the option to expire in the money. So let's write here on the screen that I'm actually buying call options with end of week expiration date for the euro and the Japanese yen. And from a fundamental point of view, it's not a pretty picture on the euro area, because the German economy is not doing well. Let's say the German zoo was released today way below expectations. However, these markets are looking to be in a support level, and we should go to see higher values. It remains it is important what the equities markets, the US equity markets, will do today, because they were on a free falling lately. But I would say both the euro dollar and the euro Japanese yen should bounce from current levels, but this one here is the euro and the Japanese yen. So call options end of week expiration date on strong support given by a contracting triangle that normally is supposed to break to the upside. Now, what we do have also this week, we had the CPI in UK this morning, and it was definitely lower than expectations. The Great Britain pound US dollar has been sold as a consequence, but euro Great Britain pound flows influence the euro US dollar. As you can see, the euro Great Britain pound is something like 79.50 or stuff like that. That or those flows should come to support the euro currencies as a whole. So thank you very much for being here. This is EURJPY.com. Make sure you check our Binary Options Academy projects, and let's see if this option will expire in the money or not. Thank you, and bye bye.